Advancements in technology continue to change the world, allowing for your dreams to now become a reality.
Greetings, I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
Developed over the past 3 years and officially licensed by Disney Pixar, Robosen and Disney have teamed up once again to bring one of the most beloved franchises to life for all Toy Story fans.
I'm Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger. My ship has crash-landed here by mistake.
Amazingly realistic features, along with dynamic voice. Real life, real joy. Now command your favorite Space Ranger with a list of voice commands.
Hey, Buzz.
Roger that.
What's the mission?
I protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion from the evil Emperor Zurg, sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance.
And you can control him with a mobile application. Tap the built-in actions. Let's unlock more possibilities.
Please be careful. You don't want to be in the way when my laser goes off.
This robot is user customizable. Equipped with both app and web-based programming, Robosen provides various levels of gameplay, so you can easily get started with programming. Just open the app, move Buzz with your hands to start programming. And with selected original movie audio, it is that easy to recreate classic scenes from your favorite movie.
Your chief, Andy, inscribed his name on me.
You can also log on to Robosen Studio, the all-new web-based workshop. Here you'll find more variety of actions and audio, which enable you to dive deeper into a more robust programming and robotic learning experience. For the first time ever, Robosen introduces ultra-micro servo motors made from precision timepiece-grade metals.
Wait, hold on. This is no time to be hysterical.
Integrated with 23 high-precision intelligent servo motors, Robosen's Buzz Lightyear continues on the legacy of premium technology the company is famously known for. With 75 intelligent microchips and over 3,000 components throughout its body, it is no toy. It is a walking, talking computer like never seen before. From every meticulously designed artificial joint to the entire realistic painting, we've dedicated ourselves to every detail that brings your most beloved character to life right before your eyes.
Okay, Woody, let's go!
Now let's say that classic line out loud. To infinity and beyond.
To infinity and beyond!
Get this Buzz Lightyear robot made by Robosen and bring the most engaging Toy Story experience ever to your home now.